former national level archer, Dinesh Bhil gave up on his international dream to set up an archery academy in the tribal area of Naswadi in Gujarat. Today, Dinesh's boys are already outshining others at both state and national levels. He's our real sporting hero.
These tribal boys of Naswadi in Gujarat train with bows made of bamboo and wood. Pushing them to do their best despite all odds is this one man who has invested his entire life, time and money in making champions out of these little warriors. Dinesh Bhil, a three-time national champion, grew up in these villages playing the local sport Tir Dhanush. With no coach and no academy to support him, Dinesh struggled on his own to win national medals. And just when he was at the peak and all set for his international challenges, Dinesh made a difficult choice. He gave up his international dream so that he could change the lives of others like him. He came back to his village. With a little help, brought this lad started the Eklavya Archery Academy in 2005.
टाइम में स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी इंडिया में जो तीरंदाज प्रैक्टिस करते थे अच्छे उन लोगों का जो रिजेक्ट सामान रहता है, नॉक, पॉइंट, एरो, स्ट्रिंग, ऐसे में वहीं से फिर रिजेक्ट सामान यहाँ लेके आता था और मेरे जो बच्चे हैं उनको देता था.
The government of Gujarat has helped them with only 5 sets of professional archery sets.
तो मॉडर्न इक्विपमेंट चाहिए और वो मॉडर्न इक्विपमेंट 1.5 लाख के आते हैं.
Functioning out of this ramshackle shed, Eklavya Academy is one of the poorest in the world. It's only 6 months ago that a corporate offered to build this one room that now houses all the 30 trainees. But for Dinesh, the biggest worry is funds for the right diet. And though he does odd jobs like taking part-time classes in the local primary school, the funds are never enough.
आर्मी का डाइट है 200 के ऊपर में है. यहाँ में तो हमारा डाइट 20-25 रुपया भी नहीं होता होगा डेली का. इस तरह से
Dinesh picks up talented boys from villages like these, where an archery championship is even unheard of. Brothers Magan and Raman believe that if not for Dinesh Bhil, they would have lost their talent in the daily grind of the village. But today they are proud national gold medalists and the village looks up to them. And it's not just archery. Dinesh Bhil makes sure that these boys also attend regular school and college through a sports quota.
गेम के साथ हम यहाँ तक पढ़ सके, बाकी तो हम ये भी नहीं सोचते थे कि हम इतना तक पढ़ भी सकते हैं.